It's time for the lightning round. Chris Redbread, for Ralph Gold's number saying when the stock started buy, sell, so there's been a course ahead of time. My staff person, the graphics will play you playing this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Steve? Daddy, tell me the lightning round. Might start with Felix in Arizona. Felix.
Hey, Jim. Thanks for taking my call. I just want to get your thoughts on Pfizer.
Okay, Pfizer, really good yield, not a lot of momentum. Didn't like the update yesterday. I'm going to say just weak hold. Let's go to Jim in Texas. Jim.
Hey, Jim. This is Jim in Texas. So I'm an investment club member from the start and a second-time caller.
All right.
My question is about a stock that's not retail, but more of a supplier to retail.
Okay.
And they deal with both livestock and pets.
Okay.
So they're a pharmaceutical business called Elanco.
They are doing everything right. I am so impressed with the way they've turned that company around. I'm glad you brought it out. That was a real good idea. Let's go to Tina in Florida. Tina.
Hey, Jim. Thanks to you and your team, and happy holidays.
Oh, same to you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for everything you do for us home gamers. I was wondering if would Rocket Lab be a stock that you would include in the end of the year of magical investing?
I think Rocket Lab is better than that. I don't think it's a magical thinking stock. I think it's a very good spec ahead of another big offering in the rocket world next year. I think you can own it as your spec play, as I say, in How to Make Money in Any Market. Let's go to Brandon in Arizona. Brandon.
Booyah, Jim. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Oh, same to you. Thank you.
What you think about LAC, Lithium Americas?
No, there's nothing there for you. You're just going to have to skip it. That's a yesteryear stock. It's just it's a no-go. Greg in Minnesota. Greg.
Yeah, hi, Jim.
Greg.
How are you, bud?
All right, how you doing?
Yeah, good. The sixth-time caller. Thank you very much. I need to buy, sell, hold on this Scoreboard company that has a new CEO, a new CFO, and a new 30-handle price target. It's institutionally held by BlackRock and others, Daktronics.
Okay. You know, it's just okay. I've never been excited about that Scoreboard business. Advertising, it's just not compelling enough to put your money into. Let's go to Jerry in Arizona. Jerry.
Mr. Cramer, good afternoon. The stock that I'm asking about has a over 11% short position on it. Analysts only have strong buys, and no sales. So is my stock, Theravance Bio, a buy, sell, or hold?
I got to do more work. I've not looked at Theravance in a couple of years. You deserve better than that. I will come back. Let's go to Tim in Pennsylvania. Tim.
Hi, Jim. Hey, fellow Eagles fan and club member here.
All right, thank you.
Yep. Hey, I know you're not a big fan of beer and liquor companies due to Lilly's GLP-1 drug.
Yes.
But this stock is more of a new CEO turnaround story that I know you like Wells Fargo, Nike, Starbucks. So they call the new CEO at Diageo Drastic Dave Lewis, who has successfully turned around.
Let me give you I think that the dividend at 5.6 can keep it here. They have to come up with something very special because I see a lot of their lines of business not doing well. Okay, I'm going to throw in Constellation and Brown-Forman downgraded again, too. I don't own stocks just for dividend, but I think it can stop right there because of the dividend. Let's go to Bill in New Mexico. Bill.
Hey, Jimmy, it's Billy in Santa Fe.
I had a feeling. What's happening?
My stock is Photronics.
Something's happening with that stock. The thing is just like skyrocketed. I have to figure out what that, Jesus, two different calls in one lightning round. But look, if I don't know it, I'm going to just say I don't know it. I can't make it up. Let's go to Miles in Florida. Miles.
Jim, how are you? And shout out, thank you for your book, and Merry Christmas to you and your team. They are fantastic.
Thank you. The team is fabulous, and thank you for the kind words about my book. How can I help?
MTB, short-term,
very well-run bank. It's still not that expensive. Actually, it's surprisingly inexpensive. I would buy that stock tomorrow morning, even though it looks like it's going to spike. It's at 12 times earnings. There's nothing not to like about M&T Bank. It's good. Let's go to Chris in Colorado. Chris.
Howdy, Jim.
What's going on?
Long-time listener, member of the club, and
thank you.
I asked Santa for the book.
Oh, man, I hope Santa doesn't let you down. Let him. I wish he'd take down another $300,000 when he's in there. What's going on?
Well, Jim, this company was originally a graduate of the year of magical investing, but now all of a sudden revenues are up 600% this year. They're sitting on $800 million cash in the bank, and this $3 billion market cap expects to be cash flow positive next year. Jim, the stock's owned us.
I mean, that thing is just, look, I view that as a cats and dogs thing, to be honest. I cannot go. Wow, that one is a really complicated stock, and I don't know why I think that necessarily it's going to start taking off from here. I'm going to have to take a pass. And that, ladies and gentlemen, conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.